listen into some of these parent testimonials. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't lay in bed at night just wondering and worrying about your child. Start taking action now by taking my online course to help your child. What better thing to do than to start now?
Hi. As an early childhood educator for more than 20 years and now the mom to 2 small little girls, I can highly recommend Kayla's course to you. It's developmentally appropriate. She gives you wonderful skills that help bond with your child and help them to learn all the things that they need to learn for speech. When we needed speech therapy for our older child, I arrived at speech therapy thinking that kids shouldn't need that in a home where we read and talk and sing and do all those things that should prepare a child to be able to speak. But that just wasn't true. There was more that I could be doing, and there are lots of different reasons that kids might need that extra boost. Kayla's course will keep you focused. She gives great tips, and it just is a way to really honor the progression that your child is making as you go along, because I think sometimes we don't recognize growth unless we have a means to record it and really pay attention to how well they're doing. So if you're considering getting Kayla's course, I cannot recommend it enough. I have learned so much from her, and I'm super excited to keep doing it and to see our 2 little girls continue to make amazing progress with their speech. So thank you so much, Kayla, and really seriously, give it a chance. She's amazing. You will be very happy. Thanks.